Good morning, guys and girls. In this series of videos, I'm going to use the practice mode in Trading 212 to demonstrate how, if you work in the NHS or health and social care, even at band 2, if you are still relatively young, there is no good reason why you could not retire early and as a millionaire if you choose to do so. The practice mode allows me to have a account with 50,000 theoretical pounds in it, and I'm going to use the Vanguard S&P 500 exchange traded fund, and I'm going to invest £120 per week in that. So here's the first one, and I'll do this every week for the next 8 years or so. At that point I will have used up sorry, let me just check what has happened there. Yeah, that's fine. At that point I will have used up the 50,000 available, and let's just see how it goes. In other videos I will explain the logic behind using the S&P 500 and the method that you would use to sustain your portfolio if and when you choose to retire early after you have finished building your wealth. I hope you find this useful. I hope I inspire other people to go ahead and take the plunge and invest in the stock market. It is a great way to build wealth over time, and should you choose to, it'll provide you with financial freedom and give you the opportunity to make some other choices should you find that something that you want to do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're interested in following the journey, and of course if there's any questions you would like me to answer, please leave those in the comments below.